No feedback row exists yet, so target medium is not known. I can see the daily gain UI and a cookie banner blocking the bottom, so I will accept cookies, focus the search box, and submit a broad anchor guess. I am using a very common distinctive title to get the first structured feedback quickly and start narrowing from year, rating, type, genres, actors, and directors. Type card is green for Inception, and Inception is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther and the arrow points up, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther and the arrow points down, so the target rating is lower than 8.8. Overlapping genres shown in green are action, adventure, and sci-fi. No actors overlap among Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page, and no director overlap for Christopher Nolan. Constraints: the target is a movie, released after 2010, rated below 8.8, includes action, adventure, and sci-fi, and does not feature those listed cast members or Nolan. Avoid repeating the guest title Inception. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. From the latest row, the target is newer than 2010, rated lower than 8.8, and overlaps with action, adventure, and sci-fi while sharing no shown actors or director with Inception. I want a newer movie that strongly matches those three genres to get a tighter year and rating signal and possibly cast or director overlap, so I'm submitting Guardians of the Galaxy next. Type card is green for Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3, and that guess is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2023. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so the target rating is slightly higher than 7.9. Genre overlap shows only comedy in green, while action and adventure are not on the target from this row. No actors overlap among Chris Pratt, Chukwudi Iwuji, and Bradley Cooper, and no director overlap for James Gunn. Constraints: the target is a movie, older than 2023, rated a bit above 7.9, as comedy, and does not have action or adventure based on this guess. It also does not share those listed cast or director. Avoid repeating Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest visible feedback says the target is older than 2023, rated slightly higher than 7.9, and has comedy overlap, so I want a strong comedy movie anchor with a clearly selectable exact title after the failed attempt. The field already shows The Nice Guys, so I will refocus, ensure the exact matching row is selected, and then click the guess button to guarantee the guess registers this time. Type card is green for The Nice Guys, and The Nice Guys is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is within 2 with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2016 and likely 2017 or 2018. Rating is further with an up arrow, so the target rating is higher than 7.4 by more than 0.5. Overlapping genres in green are comedy and crime, while action is gray and not on the target. No actors overlap among Russell Crowe, Ryan Gosling, and Angry Rice, and no director overlap for Shane Black. Constraints: the target is a movie, likely from 2017 or 2018, rated above about 7.9, includes comedy and crime, does not include action, and does not share those listed actors or director. Avoid repeating The Nice Guys. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Type card is green for Knives Out, and Knives Out is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is within 2 with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2019 and likely 2017 or 2018. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so the target rating is slightly higher than 7.9. Overlapping genres in green are comedy, crime, and drama. No actors overlap among Daniel Craig, Chris Evans, and Ana de Armas, and no director overlap for Rian Johnson. Constraints: the target is a movie, likely from 2017 or 2018, rated a little above 7.9, includes comedy, crime, and drama, and does not share those listed actors or director. Avoid repeating Knives Out. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Nice, the answer was 3 billboards outside Ebbing, Missouri, and it took 5 guesses. The key clues were that it was definitely a movie, then the feedback tightened it to 2017 or 2018 with a rating just above 7.9, plus the comedy crime drama genre combo pointed right to it.